Kung naghahanap ka ng beach property na pwede mong i-enjoy personally, habang may potential din for long-term appreciation at passive income, this property might be the one you're looking for. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Calatagan South Beach or Casubi in Calatagan, Batangas. From Metro Manila, roughly around 3-hour drive lang siya or even less depende sa traffic. Kaya naman naging attractive siya sa maraming investors and families. Malapit lang siya for weekend trips, pero iba talaga yung atmosphere pagdating mo dito. Isa rin sa mga mapapansin mo dito is yung continuous growth ng tourism at resort developments. And usually kapag madaming developments and infrastructure improvements, property values tend to follow. One of the upcoming infrastructure projects na binabantayan dito is yung CityBEX or Cavite-Tagaytay-Batangas Expressway na kapag natuloy naman ito at naging operational na, mas magiging accessible pa ang Calatagan from Manila. And for long-term investors, malaking factor talaga ang accessibility sa appreciation ng property. Now let's talk about the project itself. The Nautilus at Calatagan South Beach is a beachfront condo-hotel development here inside Casubi. Ang maganda dito, flexible yung setup niya depending on how you want to use your property. Pwede mo siyang gawing personal vacation unit, somewhere you can go to during weekends or holidays with family and friends. Or kung mas investment focus ka naman, pwede mo rin siyang ipa-enroll sa leaseback program ng Landco Lifestyle Ventures. Meaning sila yung mag-handle ng operations and rentals as part of the resort hotel system dito sa estate. So habang di mo ginagamit yung unit, may potential siya to earn through guest rentals. May option ka din na self-manage yung rental ng unit mo or through third-party lease agents like Airbnb. As for amenities, very resort-oriented talaga yung feel ng project. From the design of the condominium to the pool, gym, spa, sauna, resto bar, conference rooms, and the rest of the amenities. And of course, Casubi has a beautiful white sand beach with clear blue waters, kaya ito talaga yung binabalik-balikan ng mga tao dito. Let's start this property tour, but quick pause lang. If you enjoy property tours like this and you want updates on the latest developments here at Calatagan South Beach, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're interested to know more about the Nautilus or other Landco Pacific developments, you may reach us through Viber, WhatsApp, email, or through our website. We'll flash all the details on the screen for you. Now let's start the tour here at Aquaria Water Park, which is located just beside the Nautilus. This is one of the well-known attractions here at Casubi. There are several swimming pools here, plus direct access to the beach. Open din ito for day tour guests who simply want to spend the day swimming, relaxing, or enjoying the beach atmosphere. So aside from residents and overnight guests, may regular flow din talaga ng visitors dito sa estate. Right in front of the Nautilus is this white sand beach. And one thing people usually appreciate here is yung peaceful atmosphere. Hindi siya masyadong crowded compared to public beaches. The sand is nice, the shoreline is wide, and maganda rin yung open sea view. Next is the boardwalk area of Calatagan South Beach. And isa ito sa magandang feature ng estate because it gives the whole area a more relaxed resort feel. Tree-lined yung walkway, and there are tables and chairs where guests can sit down, have meals, coffee, or simply spend time with family and friends. May cabanas din around the area where guests can lounge and relax near the beach. Habang naglalakad naman tayo around the estate, makikita rin natin yung existing beachfront accommodations here at Casubi, which is yung Crusoe Cabins. Magandang makita na operational na talaga yung hospitality side ng estate because you can already see the actual resort environment and guest activity here. This area naman is one of the beach areas where guests usually swim. May clear blue waters, fine white sand, and very open yung paligid. Especially during good weather, maganda talaga yung overall beach experience dito. Around the beachfront area naman, meron ding mga restaurants and cafes dito sa estate. So guests and residents can dine here without needing to leave the property. Very convenient, especially for weekend stays or longer vacations. And this is the Canopy, the event center of Calatagan South Beach. This venue is usually used for weddings, private gatherings, celebrations, and corporate events. It's a nice addition to the estate because it brings more activity and lifestyle experiences within the community. Tignan naman natin yung artist's perspective of the Nautilus. This gives you an idea of how the project will look like once completed. You'll notice its award-winning design, its beachfront positioning, and the overall resort-style atmosphere that Lanco is planning for the development. Ito naman yung actual site of the Nautilus, and as of now, ongoing na yung foundation works for the project. So for buyers and investors, magandang makita that development is actively moving forward. And since pre-selling stage pa rin tayo ngayon, this is usually the pace where buyers are able to enter at earlier pricing levels compared to later stages of the project. So if you're looking for a beach property that you can personally enjoy, while also having long-term investment potential, I think the Nautilus is worth considering. Especially for those who want a combination of lifestyle, possible passive income through the leaseback setup, and a property located inside a growing beach estate like Casobe. And for many investors, malaking factor rin talaga yung location, accessibility, and the overall environment of the development. And ito yung nakikita ng maraming buyers dito sa Calatagan. Again, if you'd like more updates on developments here at Calatagan South Beach, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about the available units, pricing, floor plans, or sample computations for the Nautilus, you may message us through Viber, WhatsApp, email, or through our website. We'll put all the contact details on the screen for you. See you on the next property tour.